Good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss regarding accounting information system. This is a very important topic from unit number 1, that is theoretical framework in financial accounting paper of BCom and BBA semesters. Let's see what we mean by accounting information system. So see, accounting information system, the short form is AIS, means collection. Collection means the journal entries which are the transactions which are taking place in a business organization. So those transactions, the invoices, the receipt and bills. So the vouchers of those transactions have to be collected. Then it should be processed. Processed means what? It should be recorded in the journal entries by passing journal entries, and then arrangement of accounting data, and then the data should be arranged systematically, like it is then posted to the ledgers. The trial balance is prepared, the trading account, PL account, balance sheet. So systematically all the arrangement is done. The accounting data is recorded in such a way that it is very much helpful to the management as well as to the other interested parties. So which enables the users of such information to form rational and judicious decision. So why the management and the interested parties are interested to take the to collect the accounting information, because they want to take rational and judicious decision, justified decision regarding any matter in the business, regarding any matter in the business. So in order to take a justified decision, collection, these parties, the management and other interested groups are interested in accounting information system. So accounting information system means collection, then processing and arrangement of accounting data. So how does information flow? You just see that AIS, accounting information system. Here information flows from many organs in the organization. The first organ is accounting budgeting. So what do you mean by budget? Simple words. Like Durga Puja is very near. So we have to prepare a budget. Like this is our income. And this can be our expenditure. We can spend only this much of money from our income. So that is a budget. So in accounting budgeting means what? In a business also, in order to produce a product, the organization have to make a budget. Then this can be the expenditure, to produce that product, and how much can be the earning, from that by selling out that product. So that is accounting budgeting. That is budget. A budget is prepared in the organization. So from accounting budgeting also information flows here in the accounting information system. Then from marketing means what? To take the product into the market. So it should be such that the product should be such made that it meets the demands of the customers. So that is done in marketing unit. So information flows from marketing unit to accounting information system. That what is the market condition? Now, the update for marketing condition. Flows in the accounting information system. Then see here, establishment and personnel. What does establishment means? It is an organization, and personnel means the people working in the organization. So about the welfare of the establishment, that what are its expenditures, what are its incomes, Okay, establishment means the how the business will run. Okay, so those informations are also contained in the accounting information system. Okay, then personal. Okay, what can be the wages? Okay, what can be the benefits parts of the personal? Okay, those informations are also contained in the accounting information system. Then you see production unit. Okay, in the production unit, okay, what products are produced? Okay, what products are produced? Okay, what can be the cost of a product? Okay, and to sell out that product, what can be the earnings? Okay, what can be the earnings? So those informations are also contained in the accounting information system. Okay, so all the informations from accounting, budgeting, marketing, production and establishment and personnel are contained here, accounting information system, that is AIS. Okay, now what does AIS do? Okay, since all the information from every sector, okay, every organ of the organization is contained in AIS, okay, AIS prepares a report, okay, or a statement, okay, which is very much necessary for the management, okay, or any other interested party to take what? To take rational and judicious decision, okay, in regard to concern course of action, in regard to any matter in the concern. Okay, so it is, okay, everything is contained here in the accounting information system. Okay, statements are prepared, okay, and reports are submitted to the top level management. Okay, now you see AIS helps to detect the company's assets. Okay, so company's assets, liabilities, okay, changes in assets and liabilities all can be detected from the accounting information system, okay, by its users, whoever is using this system. Okay, whoever can be the owners, the managers, the creditors, okay, the investors, okay, they all are interested in the AIS system. Okay, so they will detect, or they can detect the company's resources, okay, claims, okay, of the claims, okay, of the parties, okay, over those resources, and changes in the resources and claims position, that is assets and liability status. Okay, so those can be detected from the AIS, accounting information system. Okay, so this system is very much helpful for an organization to grow up. Okay, because everything is contained here. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so